Hello everybody, today I would like to show you my latest project. This is my latest project. This is a Kitronik mearm robot controlled by STM32 microcontroller in my STM32 discovery board. And you can control that robot with this touch screen. So I will show you now that. For example, you can control that robotic arm in 3 axes. So let's do that. And base. You can rotate base in 180 degrees range, and also you can open and close manipulator. So this is main function, but I also created something that I called a sequence recorder. So let's press that button. Now you can see on the screen list of positions that I can play. I can play this sequence of this position. So let's play it. And now you can see robot is moving to that positions, and it is repeating that sequence. I can pause this sequence. You can see that robot is paused. I can resume this sequence. Resumed. And I can also stop that sequence. Now this sequence is stopped, as you can see. By pressing on one of items on that list, I can move robot immediately to that position. So let's press first one, and you can see that robot moved to that position. I can click now the third one, and you can see robot moved to the third one position. Also I can delete all these positions. When I short press that button, I'm deleting last position, but when I do long press on that button, then I can delete all positions. So let's delete all of them, and now you can see that we have a clear list. So let's create a new sequence. So for example, we have to go back to the main screen. Now we are on the main screen, and let's move robot to desired position. So that will be a first of them. So now we have to go back to the sequence recorder. Let's add that position add. Go back to the main screen, move to another one. As you can see, go back, let's add, go back. Now let's close manipulator. So let's close it. So now it's closed. When it's closed, let's add that position, and let's move to the new position, that robot, for example here, and let's add. So now we have created a new list of positions to in the sequence recorder, and when we don't want to lose that list after microcontroller reset, so then we have to press that button to save it to the flash memory of microcontroller. And now, as you can see, sequence is saved. So let's test this sequence. Let's press play. As you can see, I am changing color of text when a robotic arm is moving. Now you can see it's moving. And it's repeating that sequence until we stop this playback. So let's stop it. Now we have it stopped. So let's now, for example, reset that microcontroller. So now I'm pressing that button. Microcontroller is reset. As you can see, robot moved to the base position. And now let's go back to the sequence recorder, and we can see that the sequence is saved. So let's play it again, and you can see that robot is moving in the same sequence. And for example, let's change speed of that sequence a little faster, and the fastest mode, and the slowest mode. So I think that's all. Thanks for watching.